Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my biology online classes. Today I am going to discuss with you about paper genetics for your upcoming semester 3 exam. This question is from Cbcs curriculum year 2022 under University of Calcutta. Now let's start. What do you mean by cis-trans test carrying 2 marks? What are the direct and indirect effects of ionizing radiation carrying 2 marks? What is tandem duplication carrying 2 marks? Why Benger selected R2 locus for complementation study carrying 2 marks? Differentiate between complete and incomplete linkage carrying 2 marks. What are lines and signs carrying 2 marks? What are pseudo-alleles? Give examples carrying 2 marks. Give one example each for nullisomy and trisomy in human carrying 2 marks. Write short notes on any 4 of the following. Penetrance and expressivity carrying 2.5 marks. Interference and coincidence carrying 2.5 marks. Non-disjunction of chromosome 21 in human carrying 2.5 marks. Role of XIC in dosage compensation in human females carrying 2.5 marks. ALU elements carrying 2.5 marks. Epistasis carrying 2.5 marks. Hemophilia carrying 2.5 marks. Next, this is a problem of genetics. A Drosophila female heterozygous for the sex-linked recessive traits A, B and C were crossed to a male which was phenotypically ABC. The cross yielded following progeny phenotypes: plus BC 450, A plus 450, ABC 32 plus 38, A plus C 11 plus B plus 9. Now, number 1, find out the genotype of the female parent carrying 2 marks. Determine correct gene order carrying 2 marks. Construct a linkage map of ABC carrying 4 marks. Which progeny phenotypes are missing? Explain their absence carrying 1 plus 1 marks. As per the theory of genic balance given by Kevin Bridges, mention the expected sex of the individuals with chromosome constitution as given below. 3x is to 3a, 2x is to 3a, 3x is to 2a, 1x is to 2a. Justify your answer carrying 4 marks. Write down the salient features of kappa particles in paramecium sp carrying 2 marks. Explain the transmission of kappa particles during short duration and long duration conjugation in paramecium sp with suitable diagram carrying 4 marks. Alternative splicing plays a critical role during sex determination of Drosophila sp. Explain carrying 4 marks. What do you mean by hybrid dysgenesis carrying 2 marks? Briefly describe the process of biochemical mutation detection in Neurospora sp carrying 4 marks. A colorblind man marries a phenotypically normal woman with no family history of colorblindness. They give birth to a boy with Klinefelter syndrome and color blindness. Karyotypes of both parents are normal. Explain the origin of Klinefelter syndrome and color blindness in the boy carrying 4 marks. What are transposable genetic elements carrying 2 marks? Explain complementation in the light of Benger's R2 locus experiment carrying 4 marks. Differentiate between pericentric and paracentric inversion carrying 3 marks. What do you mean by alternate and adjacent segregation in a reciprocal translocation heterozygote. Explain with diagram, carrying 4 marks. Explain tautomeric shift in 3 marks. What do you mean by primary and secondary sex determination in human, carrying 3 marks. What are IS elements, carrying 2 marks. Explain the process of mutation detection in Drosophila sp by attached X method, carrying 5 marks. So students, this is all about genetic previous year question of year 2022 under CBCS curriculum of University of Calcutta. Stay connected for next session of previous year question discussion.